welcome. In today's video I'm going to do an unboxing on the Revlon hair dryer and volumizer. If you're interested, then please keep on watching. So this is how the box looks, and I've been seeing a lot of videos about this. My hair is more on the wavy and frizzy side, so I'm curious to see how my hair will turn out. This is how my hair looks. This is how my hair looks when I air dry it. It's on the frizzy side and just wavy. So if I let it air dry, this is just how it will look, just puffy. Usually I just flat iron it, or I put a little bit of leave-in conditioner and squeeze it a little bit, and it just turns more wavier, more on the curlier side. So let's see how this turns out. So it comes with instructions. And then it's on the oval side. The shape is oval. The bristles are really soft. It has both kinds of bristles. And that's all that comes inside the box. Obviously, that's all you need. Alright, so I'm gonna plug it in and see how this goes. So I'm first gonna section my hair. Turn it on. I'm gonna turn it on high and then set the timer to see how long this takes me. So let's start out by sectioning my hair. I'm gonna start out by the bottom. I always start out by the bottom. I'm actually going to untangle my hair. Looks when I untangled it. Okay. Now let me section my hair. Stopwatch. obviously is blowing a lot of hot air, so that's normal. It's just like if you blow dry your hair when you're getting a blowout at home or in the salon. That's going to happen because of the heat. Alright, so I'm just gonna do the last section. Extremely soft, just like if you go to the salon and you get a blowout. Really good. And if you can see, there's some flip to my hair. Depending how you turn the brush, you'll get some flips. This is how the back looks. Okay, and you could do this. Took me just 15 minutes to do my hair. Really quick. I have a lot of hair, so depending how much hair you have, that's how fast you'll be able to blow dry your hair. And your hair looks so much healthier when it's not flat iron. So I really love this. Definitely recommend it. One of the cons is that some of your hair does get stuck, but very little. It's easy to clean. Just get a brush, just get a comb and brush it out. That's normal. Even when I comb my hair, when I brush my hair with any other regular brush, my hair will come out, some of it. That's normal. So it's not really a comb. I guess it depends on your hair. I can't stop touching my hair, it's so soft. And for the flyaways, you could just put a little bit of spray, a little bit of oil, whatever you like. Just leave it like that. This is first day hair, so it should look better tomorrow for me, in my case. So I definitely recommend it, the Revlon hair dryer and volumizer. Really good. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you like. Thank you. Bye.